Alam mo kung sino ang pinaka-bright? Ako. Kayo mga abogado, listen. When I was investigated, nag-aaral rin ako. Abogado ako. Fiscal ako eh. Nakita ko na yon. Tahimik lang talaga ako. I drag on yung... I never mention kung ano ang defense ko. Kaya mga abogado, makinig kayo. Walang isang abogado dito sa Pilipinas, pati yan sila lang constitutionalist, maniwala kayo niya. Talaga yan. Hinayaan ko sila. Duterte can go to prison. O sige. Sabi, tahimik lang po. Sabi, totoo yan. Duterte, gano'n, wala ka niyan. Gano'n lang ako. Pero nung tinawag ako ng chairman ng Commission on Human Rights sa United States, ang kapatid niya, ang King of Jordan, sabi niya, Duterte should see a psychiatrist. Sabi ko, ito nang hinantay ko. Sabi ko, kayo? What the? You can never acquire jurisdiction over my person, not in a million years. Mga na kayo, mga bunganga kayo. Why? Sabi sila, in the meantime, itong mga constitutional, Labinia, pati yung mga UP professor, sige, he can be liable. You know, in this country, we have rules to follow. The Constitution gives us the right, every one of us, due process of law. Ngayon, ang ginawa nila sa ating membership sa ICC, International Court, pinirmahan ni Estrada. Then dinala nila doon sa Congress for ratification kasi treaty. But instead of returning the copy of the treaty to the office of the President, who will order now the publication of that law sa official gazette. It is mandatory. Ngayon, ang ginawa nila, hindi ibinalik, there was no publication. Diniretso nila doon and appended it sa Rome Agreement. Ako, kasi piskal ako. Every day, kung yan ang piskal nandito, pagkaharap ko yung kaso, ang una kong tanungin, do I have jurisdiction to prosecute this case? Or is the court, does it fall within the jurisdiction of the court where it is being tried? Tinang ko nga, jurisdiction. Alam mo, sabi ng Supreme Court, publication of a law, especially a criminal statute, must be published. If you do not publish it, there is no law at all. It is as if there is nothing in the books of the government that will bind me to a criminal case. So, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Ngayon, kukunin ko yan, ilagay ko dito sa akin. Was I given due process? None. Why? You will prosecute me in a law that was not published. It must be published.